Let's proceed to subtracting polynomials. It says here, to subtract polynomials is to add its inverse. If you can still recall subtracting integers, we are doing keep, change, add, or KCCA. And we're gonna do that process here as well in subtracting polynomials. So here the step-by-step process in subtracting polynomials. First, arrange the polynomials in their standard form, meaning from the highest degree down to the lowest. Second, change the polynomial next to each other horizontally, since we're gonna have horizontal computation. Third, change the signs of the second polynomial through the parenthesis to its opposite sign, meaning we will change all the signs of your subtrahend. Fourth, separate the like terms and arrange them together. Lastly, we perform the calculations. So for us to fully understand the steps, let's have an example. Subtract x squared minus 5x plus 7 from 3x squared plus 4x minus 2. In this one, it's really important that we understand which is the subtrahend and which is your minuend. Subtract this from this, meaning this second polynomial here comes first, or this is your minuend. So let me write this in horizontal computation. We got this polynomial as our minuend, 3x squared plus 4x minus 2, minus your subtrahend, x squared minus 5x plus 7. There you have it. Next is we change the signs of the second polynomial through the parenthesis to its opposite sign. So I just rewrite the minuend here, but I eliminate the parenthesis. Next, I distribute this minus sign into each term. So we got negative times positive x squared, that is negative x squared, negative times negative 5x, that is positive 5x, and then negative times positive 7, that is negative 7. And as you can see, we have accomplished your third step since we already changed all the sign in your second polynomial or your subtrahend. It is now in its opposite sign. And then we separate the like terms, or we combine the like terms. We got 3x squared minus x squared here. Next is we combine this 4x and 5x. And then we combine negative 2 and negative 7. And there you have it. After this is we perform the calculations for our last step. 3x squared minus x squared, that is equal to 2x squared. It's like 3 minus 1. And then just copy your variables. Then, positive 4x plus 5x, that is positive 9x, or simply plus 9x here. And then combine this two, negative 2 minus 7, that is equal to negative 9. And here's your final answer already. 2x squared plus 9x minus 9. In this example, we use horizontal computation. Now let's try the vertical computation or the vertical format. In here, we're gonna use really the KCC, keep, change, add. Okay, KCCA for the vertical computation. If before, in our horizontal computation, we just distribute this one. In vertical, we're gonna really use KCCA. Okay, but let's see if we're gonna come up with the same answer. Let me proceed in here, since we already identified which is the minuend and which is the subtrahend. So let me copy the minuend, 3x squared plus 4x minus 2. Okay, and then change this one, your minus sign. If I put it here, that will be positive. And then change. Okay, we're done with keep, change, let's proceed with another C, that is change. Another change in your subtrahend. Okay? So, x squared will be negative x squared. Negative 5x will be positive 5x. Next, positive 7 will be negative 7. And then, we add. We're done with K, C, C, then we add already. So 3x squared minus or plus negative x squared, that will be 2x squared, right? Next, combining 4x and 5x, 4x plus 5x, we will have positive 9x. And then combining this two, we got negative 2 plus negative 7, same sign, add and keep, get their sign, we will have negative 9. Do we come up with the same answer? Yes. So whether you use vertical or horizontal format of computation, you will still come up with the same answer. But make sure that you already know its steps. For subtraction, we're not gonna use algebra tiles since it's not that easy to visualize subtraction using your algebra tiles. We're just gonna use this vertical computation. So let's have our example number 2. Subtract 4y squared plus 5y plus 3 from 3y squared minus y minus 6. Again, it's really important that you know or you understand which is the minuend and which is the subtrahend. So just a recall, so it will be minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference, right? If you forgot the parts of your subtraction, difference. There you have it. So we will have, for a minuend, this will be your minuend, 3y squared minus y minus 6 minus your subtrahend, which is 4y squared plus 5y plus 3. Okay? And then what's next is we distribute this minus sign or negative sign to each term for your subtrahend. Thus, its signs will change to its opposite sign. So negative times positive 4y, we will have negative 4y squared. Next, negative times positive 5y, we will have negative 5y. And then negative times positive 3y, that will be negative 3y. Okay? Next is we combine like terms. We will have 3y squared minus 4y squared. And then negative y minus 5y. Next is we have this constant, we combine it, we're gonna have negative 6 and negative 3. And then after, we evaluate. Okay, and then evaluate. 3y squared minus 4y squared, that will be 1, right? 3 minus 4, that is negative 1. Thus, we have here negative y squared. No need for you to write here the numerical 1. Okay, so this understood that this negative 1 y squared. Okay, next, negative y minus 5y, that will be negative 6y. And then negative 6 minus 3, that is negative 9. And that's it. We have accomplished your 3 squad goals for this lesson. We add polynomials, we subtract polynomials, and we use algebra tiles in adding polynomials. For your assignment, please answer comprehension check on pages 216 to 217, items 1 to 5, and 12 to 21. We will check this on the next meeting, so do not submit your answer in error links. Rather, we will check it during our sync class, and we will record as well your score. So thank you so much, students. I hope you learned a lot from today's lesson. Goodbye. Have a nice day.